Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack Rar and Zip files on Black Shark 5. So in order to do this, first let's open Rar app. We've shown you how to get that in our other video. Now let's navigate to the folder that contains the Rar file, and in this case it's DCIM and then camera. Here's our Rar file, so let's click on it. That way we'll get the access to both of the files. Now to unpack all of them, click on this arrow pointing up, select Browse, choose the destination where the files will be unpacked, and for me it's gonna be Movies folder. Click OK to save that, change any of the settings, then OK. If the Rar file is protected by a password, you'll need to enter it right here. So let me do that, click OK. And that way we've just unpacked two files to the Movies folder. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.